Welcome back to NeetGPT. In this section, we'll show you how to quickly import students in bulk using an Excel file, so you don't need to manually enter student data one by one. Let's get started. We have provided a ready-made Excel template for you to use. File name, Green Valley Student Import Template.xls. This file includes the following fields: school ID, school name, language code, language name, email, phone, password, class, section, roll no, job, date of birth, gender. For your reference, we have already added 5 sample student records in the file. Fill up your student data in this Excel sheet. Step 2. Upload the Excel file. Click on the Browse button and upload your filled Excel file. Once the file is uploaded, the system will guide you through field mapping. Step 3. Map fields. You'll now see 2 columns. On the left, the database fields used by our system. On the right, the column headers from your Excel file in drop-down menus. Simply go through each field and select the matching column from your Excel sheet. For example, map student name to name, map email to email, map date of birth to job, and so on. This step ensures that every piece of information is properly aligned with our database. Step 4. Submit. Once all fields are correctly mapped, click on the Submit button. That's it. All student records will be imported instantly. There's no need for manual data entry. The entire process is automated and efficient. Congratulations! You've successfully imported your students into NeetGPT. Now you can assign tests, monitor results, and help your students prepare smarter, all in one place. Thank you for choosing NeetGPT. Let's continue building the future of education together.